What's the meaning of chard? Chard. Chard.
Chard. Chard. Chard can refer to a variety of leafy vegetables, including Swiss chard and rainbow chard. These vegetables typically have large, colorful stems and dark green leaves. Chard is a versatile ingredient that can be cooked in a variety of ways, such as sautéed, steamed, or roasted. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, and potassium. In addition to its nutritional benefits, chard's distinctive flavor and appearance make it a popular choice for inclusion in salads, soups, and other dishes.